guys, this week we had a massive surprise. The one and only Luke Gibson shows up with a piece of equipment in the trailer. Him and Matt Warner had gotten together to kind of spring the surprise on us and dropped off a piece of equipment for us to try out and show you guys kind of what that looks like. The most basic explanation is it's a post driver that fits on the front of our Bobcat MT100. It also, you can take off a couple of the faceplate guides. It will actually fit a full-size Bobcat skid steer as well. We'll try that in the future. It works off the hydraulics that are on board with the Bobcat, so everything's in one compact package. Right now, we're digging and setting with the MT100 with an auger, obviously, so this is going to replace that. Interesting to see how it works, how quickly it works, that sort of thing. I look forward to having Luke on in the future to explain the more in-depth details of the machine. While Luke was here, we decided to give it a little bit of a test. We tested it in the gravel lot, thinking that, now our gravel lot is 6 feet deep with large chunk rock. We had a really soft lot. We ended up excavating all of that out, bringing in large chunk, and then filling off the top foot with 3/4 base just to give us a nice gravel lot. So our thinking is, if this is rock, straight rock, 6 foot down, this is going to be a great test for it. So we drove some 2.5-inch Schedule 40, and we also drove a Postmaster post. The Schedule 40 drove in, I think, 30 seconds, and the Postmaster drove in 45 seconds. What we weren't ready for, what I didn't think through, was how we're going to pull these things out. So the Postmaster post we tried first with the Bobcat. It wasn't coming out. So then at a later time, we brought out the forklift with a chain, hooked a chain to it, tried to pull it, broke the chain. So we ended up having to dig down, well, as good as you can dig in rock, excavate around this post, cut it off, replace the gravel over it, and move on. We weren't ready for how hard it was to pull these posts out. All that being said, stay tuned. We've got a couple jobs sold in the coming weeks where we're going to use this on a couple different types of yards. One's really rocky, one's not so bad. So give you guys a real world look at what it's like using this thing in someone's backyard to drive fence posts. We're going to drive some 2.5-inch Schedule 40. It can also obviously drive Postmaster posts. It comes with different plates for different size posts. So you can drive T-posts or square posts. You can drive everything from 1 3/8 up to 4-inch round. Excited to give this thing a try. Like I said, stay tuned. We're going to have video footage in the next few weeks coming out of us using this in the real world in someone's backyard. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Matt, for setting this up. I'm incredibly humbled that you trusted me with this project, and also I'm incredibly thankful for the opportunity. I'm just going to say thank you one more time. Thank you. For now, Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you guys that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.